Picker the bat is nocturnal and relies on his hearing to understand what's going on around him at night. For today's experiment, you will need a blindfold and a friend to blindfold. Now, no peeking. Just like a bat, you cannot see anything. So let's use our ears and see if we can figure out what each sound is. What was that?
Money.
Yes, it was coins being dropped. Nice work. What about this sound?
Water going into a cup.
Yes, it's water being poured. Well done. Here is another one. Listen carefully.
Zipper.
It was a zip! Meow! Awesome! There are loads of different sounds you can make around the house. See how many you can guess. For full instructions, head to darwinandnewts.com.